to everyone who made this event possible. To our dedicated SLP, DSWD staff, our partners, and especially our local government units who gave this unwavering support to this activity. I would like also to extend our thanks to our staff from each region who traveled across the country, bringing them boxes of products to showcase not only the local goods, but also the stories of sustainable livelihood program participants, including their dreams and their hard work. Kaya, ilignaris po namin ang lahat po ng mga empleyado dito sa provincial capital na bumili ng produkto ng buong bansa at SLP. Kaya sabi natin, bawat produkto na yan ay may kwento. Bawat produkto na yan ay may mahusayang anak at pinagmamalaki ng DSWD. Kaya invite ko namin ang lahat na magbumili para wala ko silang bitbitin na boxes of wheels sa mga provincial. This convention has shown us that every handicraft, every delicacy, or every item displayed today is more than just a product. There is a fruitful perseverance, creativity, and the hope of our community to rise out of our life. Kaya lang kanina, when we talk with our beloved governor, meron naman siyang bagong model. So kasi governor natin is very innovative. Kaya tinatawag siyang puro resiliency. And we're very timely of this event kasi yung asset namin for promoting ay nandito. Kaya nga kinausap ko si asset and asset yung i-comment po natin dito ng governor. Kasi ang concept ng puro innovative program ni Governor ay very timely din sa November na launching ng ating pagkilos na kasama ang ating presidente dito sa Iloilo. And we're very proud yung mga resilience of vulnerable houses within the riverbank, ilipat ng Iloilo ang provincial capital doon sa mga safe na lugar. And of course, when we do displacement, may kaiban dyan na opportunity. And isa yun, ang opportunity yun ay DSWD ay magbigay ng livelihood program doon sa bagong lipatan ng bahay ng provincial capital. Kaya palakpakan po natin ang initiatibo ng ating lokal official. Kami po sa DSWD, especially the DSWD Field Offices, ay nagturo ang suporta sa lokal na lugar. Kaya nandito din ang ating mga samahan ng mga social welfare development o ating mga local social welfare development. Makakaasa po kayo na patuloy, hindi lamang sa sabi ni Secretary ng Development Program as our last name ng DSWD, pero sa lahat ng programa ng DSWD. So as we close this program, we open the opportunity to explore the bazaar of all of our region and let us see ourselves, experience, and even taste the fruits of the hard work of our Sustainable Livelihood Program Association and participants. This is where we can turn our appreciation in action and encourage everyone to visit the booths, explore the product of our SLPs, and bring home something special. That every purchase, you make it not just